Hello everybody, welcome back. Wanted to do a quick little video here today. It's just a 5-minute video to check to see if my queen has been released in this 5-frame nuke that I released the package on Monday. Today is Thursday, so it's been in there for 3 days. If she hasn't been released, I'm going to attempt to do a pre-release on her, and we'll see how that goes. But we'll see what happens. You know, everything is a surprise. It's about 53 degrees right now, so it's a little cool. Bees aren't very active whatsoever actually today, but let's see what we can do. I'm actually gonna suit up a little bit, and we'll go from there. Let's actually show you what we're doing. I laid these little, this is a different type of feeder, and I laid these little wooden strips down because I noticed that the bees were getting trapped. Actually, they don't like, they're not, it's not working for this little plastic walkway here. So that's not good for the bees. So they're drowning, which sucks. So I'm not a big fan of this this type of feeder. This little with the little plastic. It does float, but they're looking like they thing we're going to look for is the queen to see if she was released or she's on the upper cover, and I don't see her. This hive is fairly packed with bees. So they have been eating the pollen patty a little bit here. You can see they've kind of taken the paper apart, which is good. Now I put the queen in the center frame, so we're not going to go direct. There's the cork. Didn't realize that I left the cork in there. We're not going to go right for it, just in case she was released. So I don't want to roll her. So we're going to take these frames out. Like I said, this has been in there for 3 days. And they've started drawing it out pretty good there. They might be a little ornery today because it's there's no smoke. And it's a little cool out. So I'm just going to break these frames apart, see what we got. And if I have to go and get some smoke, so be it. But right now I'm not. They are not happy. move this one over. And let's see if... Oh my goodness, this is heavy. Holy cow, they've been filling this frame with nectar. And yes, the queen looks like she has been released. Here's the queen cage. Oh, she's still in there actually. Nope. She is still in there, but they have been working on it. Actually, you know what? She is in there, but nope, she's been released. There's just workers in there. That's the only thing that's in there actually. Yep, she's been released. You can kind of see that this is so that's good. So whether she has started laying or not is quite another. We're not going to quite get there today. Oops. Boy, that's a lot of bees. Woo! Okay. I'm going to leave these guys alone. They were not happy. They kind of came after me there. They were really pissed off. So I'm going to actually go get some smoke and see what we can see in here. Well, I'm glad I suited up because that could have actually been bad. Okay, I just want to see if this hive is producing any, if she is producing any eggs at all. Funny thing is that this center frame is almost all nectar. It's so heavy, it's unbelievably heavy. I'm also looking for the queen while I'm doing this. This was already a drawn out frame. There are no eggs in here, but there are a lot of bees, man. So, no eggs in this frame. None, 0 zip. Let's see what they did on this frame. expect her to be laying like crazy from the day one, but nice drawn out comb on this side. This side wasn't drawn out, but they've drawn it out real nice in 3 days. There are 0 eggs in here, none. There's a bee with his Nasonoff gland high in the air, fanning away. Let's see what's in store for this one here. Hey, there's a drone. What do you know? Lots of bees to try to spot this queen. No eggs. You're probably wondering what I got these glasses. These are great magnifiers for those of us. Oh, there she is right there. There's the queen. She's running around. Let's see if you guys can spot her. There she is right there. I hope you can see that. Nice big, she's plumped up since she was released, so she's running around the colony. So healthy. They didn't kill her, so that's good to see. I will not today, but one of these days I will mark her, just so I can see her a little bit better, because when I do some splits with this colony in grafting, I'm going to be well, getting rid of her actually, but so that is excellent news. So we got the information we needed. The queen is alive and well. She's not quite laying yet. Might take her a day or so to be laying. Good. I'm going to be adding, they've already drawn this one out. As soon as they draw this one out, I'm going to be adding a second tier to this box to give them room. But she hasn't even, like I said, started laying yet, so I'm surprised. Well, of course it's colder, so that's probably why they were a little more ornery. I was thinking they'd be calmer with a queen, but they're really buzzing in this colony right now. So let me give them this pollen patty, since they can't forage yet today, and Yeah, I don't like this frame feeder. They are really not, I don't like the drowning here. Well, that, as they say, is that. Let's get these babies covered up. And calm them down a little bit. Okay, that'll do it. That's exactly what I needed to see. Queen was released from here. I don't know when, but she's healthy. She's running around the hive and not laying yet, but soon to be. If you're wondering about these little glasses, I bought them off eBay for $5.99. They come with different degrees of magnification. They're difficult to see through when they're up or when they're down, unless you get real close. I bought them actually for grafting, but this is going to be helpful for locating. Well, it helped me locate the queen, but it's going to help me locate eggs, and well, that's what the grafting was about. So this is going to be perfect for me. If you got any questions, I can put a link if anybody wants to where I got these glasses from. It's a good thing I suited up, because like I said, they were none too happy when they that surprised me. I mean, when 20 of them just jumped off the frame and came after me, and I'm in a suit. It's just, you know, it's early in the bee season, and I wasn't quite used to that, even though I'm protected here. It's just so it surprised me a bit. So, till next time, happy beekeeping.